Merry Christmas.
This is my gift?
Yes. Wait. This is mine. This for Lola Pat. This for Ate. And this yours.
Ano ba yung may pumas ko pa?
Nandiyan yung mga damit niya?
Nagalit siya.
Open your gift na.
Nakabidyo ko. I-open mo na.
No more na. Daddy,
Oh, i-open mo na.
for me.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, you open. Oh, go. You open.
Daddy, hold my lollipop. This is mine.
Wow, it's a t-shirt. Wow, you have a lot of t-shirt.
Wow. You can.
Asa pa yung kay Clemang? I-ano mo na.
Then my...
Yan.
Hindi ko mabasa. Alin, halika. Ito.
Look like Sebastian.
I-open.
Konti lang, tas siya na. Pabaya mo na.
What? What? Did you do this?
Dito open.
Why did you do that?
Wow, you have a lot of colors and clay. Wow. Ikaw naman.
Thank you.
Johan.
Sige na.
Sabihin mo, thank you, Tito. Okay.
Thank you.
Iharap sa
Here. You say Tito Open, thank you.
Thank you, Tita Open.
Okay. Oh, akin na. I-open mo na.
What's inside there?
Kanino ba yan?
To ate to eh.
Open na na.
Sige na.
Para masaya naman silang magbigay.
Wow, pabango ah. What
Alisin
else?
mo yung ano mo.
Sa'yo.
And my color pencil.
Yes.
Mommy, I go to Lola Bay.
Yes, good job. You happy?
And send give my gift.
Wow, very good
Then I
ah.
have a barrel.
Barrel, wow. Where's your barrel? Wow.
Mommy, take it my barrel.
Ah, okay. Wow.
When my mommy sundo me, labubu. Labubu.
O sa'yo, Mang. Buksan mo na yung sa'yo. Yung pa oh. Color blue kay Clay pa.
Yan sa... Yan. This is mine. This is mine. Wow.
This is mine.
Wow.
Wow,
duster.
damit. Duster.
Hindi. Ay, duster. Hindi.
Oh, sa akin. You open, Arian. This is mine.
That is mine.
It's for daddy.
That is
It's for
mine.
daddy.
Daddy, outing ako sa Tita Pindy's house. Say gancho.
Stand up. Wow. You open mo na.
Wow!
What's that?
Toy crab.
Ah, it's a...
Boxer short.
Wow, boxer shirt ah.
It's a toy crab.
It's a toy crab. Wow, ang ganda naman ah. It's mine?
And last one.
Last one. No more.
No more na. Meron pa yung kulay pula. Ano yun?
What's my plate?
This one. Ay,
Wala na, no more na.
wala na.
Oh, Clay, you say Merry Christmas.
Merry